Oh, Chris is on to fish.
No
way.
way!
Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
Show the camera, man.
Finally. I'll sit at the front.
I need to balance. If I sit at the back, the boat's going to tilt.
And then John said to me, yeah, he knows what he's doing, mate.
Isn't it, John? I should sit at the front
So,
to balance the weight.
Give it a go. Work it out amongst yourself. Then I'll see, and I'll see how it balances or not balances. We'll make a decision there. Final decision then. Good day, fishers. Good morning. Good morning. Very early Sunday morning. As you can see, the sun's coming up fairly quickly these days. It's already lit up. It's no longer dark in the morning around the same time that I normally launch. So look at that, the water's looking great. The weather forecast says that it's going to be thunderstorms and whatnot, but they all vary whether it's going to start at 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. or even 6 p.m. today. So we'll see how this goes and see how the weather holds up. But yeah, temperature wise, just ideal. It's going to be a good day. I'll be joined with Denny, who has come out fishing with me a few times. So Chris and also Otis, who's been on my boat before. We didn't have such a great luck because it was a bad day and he was having a bad time with motion sickness. But hopefully today we'll overcome that and we'll make it into a good day. Look at that, eh? Sun's rising. So you guys worked it out amongst yourself?
Yeah.
So far.
Is that the arrangement?
I think so. It's going to work out. You've got the electronic anchor too?
Not the electric motor anchor, but electric anchor.
Ah, electric anchor.
The old school anchor.
Oh, you haven't put the electric?
Nah, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. It's a bit difficult on this boat with how it's arranged. It requires a lot of tinkering with the front side of the boat to get the mount done up and stuff like that. So what's the goal today?
Green snapper.
Good size fish.
That's a big line.
This one?
Yeah.
It's for tuna.
That is aiming for tuna.
Yeah.
But he's gonna catch bream.
Undersized. There's a party out, man.
Right out. All right, fish boys. We now have license to fish.
Yep. Now I'm gonna get the biggest fish out. You want Tim Tams, apples, John? Apple?
Tim sounds great.
Yeah. Okay. Otis?
No, I'm good.
I think, Daniel, I need a heavier thing.
Heavier? Oh, you want to change to heavier?
You're not getting to the bottom. It's best to have lightest stinker that you can get away with. At the moment, there's not much current, so.
Oh, Danny.
Oh, first fish!
First fish off
Round
the
of
bat.
applause!
Oh, baby.
Hey, that's not too bad. That's not too small. It's not a pinky. It's reasonable. If it was bream, it would have been legal.
That would have been legal if it was bream?
Yeah. Legal bream is 25. Legal snapper is 30. First fish.
First undersized.
Could be his last.
No.
Hopefully not.
For some weather app says it's gonna be thunderstorms from 10 a.m. But some says like 4 or 6 p.m. So You know, I got semi-hit by lightning before. I don't know whether you saw one of my videos. Near the Spit Bridge. We were fishing just below, just around Spit Bridge, and it still struck the lightning. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Right, the lightning struck whatever the pins that they've got on the bridge, and I was holding onto my fishing rod, and I felt it. I dropped the rod. Yeah. It is. After that, I'm a bit concerned. When it says thunderstorm, I want to know. Oh, you got something?
Maybe got something.
You gave us better luck last time. You want to check 4 life jackets? Yeah. They're all mine. Thanks, buddy. See ya. Alright, Oris, you can't talk because Chris also caught something.
That was your bait. That was your rod.
Oh, was it my rod?
It was.
Oh, really?
It was.
I thought that was my fish. Fish. 25 to legal. Oh!
Just over 25.
Legal size.
You like green?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, you take it. Oh, you got it?
Ooh! Ooh!
Net. Good size.
What is it?
Net. Bring.
Oh, nice!
Biggest one.
Biggest one.
Oh wow.
Silent achiever, look at him. He's not even excited. Lucky fisher.
He used that one, hand one.
Oh, there you go.
It's tiny.
I need a net. I need a landing.
You don't need a net. Come on. You need to throw it underside, man. It's not like it's hard, man. It's not even fighting. It's dead.
No.
How small?
Not mine.
Is it a snapper or is it a pinky? It's a pinky. Oh, actually, that's not too small. See, if that was a bream, that would have been legal too. It's wrong color.
Just the wrong color.
It used to be silver, but it's red.
Bye. Next go. Big.
Hey, that one seems a bit bigger. And Chris is sitting there, I can't believe this.
Literally.
It's a big fish.
Yeah, it looked a bit bigger.
I'll hold you.
Hey, it does feel a bit bigger. If it's a bream, definitely legal.
No.
What is it?
No.
It's a big trap, Andy.
careful.
Wow, it's a big trap.
Nice. Nice.
Wow. You're seasoning the sushi, mate.
Come on, Danny.
There's salt on
Hey,
it.
this is a big trap.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's a big trap.
Very good.
Yeah. Wow.
Ceremony.
Look at this. The fluke artist.
It's called experience.
You say you don't want us fishing today.
Look. Hey, Chris, you want to come into for
Come on.
No, not
Danny,
mine.
come on. This is the 21st century fishing
on,
with
go
the
bring
thongs.
He does absolutely nothing and he catches good
And he
fish.
catches.
Yeah.
Bottom? you
Poor Chris.
Have olives, man. Have olives. I'm just talking, I guess. Eating, drinking.
I can see it's gonna be a good day.
For some. For some. Oh, where was I?
Keep this up. I think I can make an episode out of it.
Have olives, man. That's how we catch fish, man. Eat and just let the line do the job.
Don't offer it to Chris. He's busy now.
Yeah, laughing the assholes, laughing.
Where's my fish?
You drop the line, let the line do the work.
That's good.
It's called it's called fishing smart, not hard. Is that good fish to eat?
Oh yeah, that's good for barbecue.
Crab is good for sashimi.
Sashimi as well.
Yeah, it's probably better sashimi than kingfish.
Better than king.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of king as much.
Yeah, that's right. Like,
I find it very.
Whoa.
See, we chit chat, eat
olive.
eat olives.
And poor Chris has been standing up there.
And I'm right next to him. No, it's a very small fish. Tiny. Tiny, pinky or green. Pinky.
Oh, snapper.
Yeah, Chris is still going, oh, I wish I could ever catch that.
I felt the bite.
What even?
It's still using the same bait from morning.
Chris, change the bait.
There are fish down there. According to Chris, there's none.
Chris, I'll catch something, I'll give you the rock, pretend it's yours. You caught it, just lift it up.
Yeah, there is.
It's not very big.
Oh.
It's bigger than the other one. Chris, do you want
Push him into the water.
tiny?
Oh,
Tiny?
yeah.
What a piece, tiny.
Good drop.
Wait, Danny, he's flown or something.
You fine? I dropped it.
He went down?
I'm not entirely headed, but
I feel bad now.
Charging for it.
it's just a cover.
Yeah, just charge me for it. Yeah. No, I'm serious. Yeah.
Man, the guy dropped the thing the other day, you said, last week.
The camera.
The camera.
I dropped my fishing rod at the rear.
You.
Did you drop a fishing rod?
Yeah,
On my boat?
yeah,
Did you lose it?
yeah, with the rear.
Sorry, it's not good.
All together about,
Bad now. Sorry.
No, it's all
What
good.
power about?
yeah.
Just piece of plastic, piece of rock.
Man. Poor Chris. Caught nothing. He caused damage.
What else?
Not your day, is it?
Can we already go back?
So if you have a smaller reel with thinner line, yeah, that'll probably work better.
This one,
Kilo rod?
3 to 5.
Yeah.
Look, I don't even know what I'm using.
That's
I
right.
got a fish.
You don't need to know. I don't think you need any
That's
tip.
so true.
You don't need any tip whatsoever.
1,000, 2,000, the big rod, small reel, I don't know, man.
That's why I
Push to
wanted giving him tips. Have you tried squid?
I did, yeah.
Oh, you did?
So that's what I have on.
Tried fish?
That's what I started with.
So you tried them all.
Yeah. Still not working.
Don't think about it. Just sit down and relax.
At least on my thinking about this.
Don't think about anything, just relax. They can feel you, Chris, through the line.
I thought you were meant to feed the fish.
No, the fish feels you.
Fish feed you.
And then she'll decide if she wants to be part of your life or not. If you relax and just give good energy.
Chris, catch something.
So shut up!
Talk too much.
You're not doing too good either, Danny. So. You caught one. Or two?
One.
Danny?
One keeper.
No, nothing here.
Oh, you didn't get
Yeah.
the keeper one.
I got a 2, but it's too big.
Hey, when you caught your trevally, was it on the rock?
Yeah,
Was it on the bottom?
I think so. No. Must have been, yes. They're usually on the bottom, right?
I don't know, it depends where you left it.
I couldn't tell you, man. I didn't catch it, the rod did.
He knows, but he's not gonna share.
I don't give away secrets, man. Really? Oh!
No way.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh!
Really?
No way.
Free.
Okay.
Good size.
Good size.
That's a good size too.
Again. Oh wow!
No way.
Is the size? It sizes up.
The do nothing tactic is working very well for this guy. Oh, it's seasoned
Seasoned olives.
seasoned olive with scale.
What's the legal size?
25. Yeah, it's 26.
26.
26, mate.
Happy that much?
26!
Just enough.
Quick safety check, make sure you got all your gear on board. There's four life jackets, please. Have you all got fishing license?
Yes.
Yes. You put it here.
That's the first one. Yeah, they have. Have a good see you, buddy.
Thank you.
I'm gonna cry.
You gotta catch on this one.
Even if it's undersized.
Any living organism.
Not even a cockroach.
Come on, rain, thunder, or hail, we can't go anywhere unless Chris catches one. Huh?
So what happens if it rains? We leave?
Not unless Chris catches one.
So it can hail, it can thunderstorm.
all
No one's
right.
going home until I
You're
catch.
the one standing there.
So good luck. So good luck to you guys.
We might have to drop off Chris on that island.
Call us when you get something.
Check on him tomorrow.
I think it'll pass, isn't it? Maybe. It'll rain and pass.
Like tomorrow.
Yeah, also tomorrow.
Have you fished in rain?
Yeah. Come on, man.
I'm just gonna stay there.
Nice and dry.
Danny,
Come here.
We'll move over there where there's no rain. Bring all the reel up.
come on, Danny.
Good. Yeah, squeeze in here.
Squeeze in. Eat some Tim Tam.
Danny, get sit down. Just watch your head. The cabinet holder. Just watch your head. Oh, you can lie down.
What happened there? No thanks.
That didn't sound right, did it? Sorry, I didn't intend to do that. The other boat did it. It's not raining here, right?
Not much.
Just drizzle.
Rain outside?
Not much.
Not as much
Not here.
Yeah, you probably got more wet.
You better hold standing in the rain that day.
Very comfortable.
Actually, maybe it's not raining over there either, where we were now. You reckon?
You think it's better there?
Yeah, it's that spot is definitely better.
Where's the water from? Before?
Because there was a big swell
Underneath,
and
yeah.
it breached us,
Yeah.
and it was coming on top.
From the gas.
Yeah. Because the splash came all the way up
That's
to
what
the
happened before.
Yeah,
like this, like
one,
this.
Yeah.
like this, but it was not high.
Because all close, maybe he used water bottle.
Whoa!
Hey!
Is it raining?
No.
Let's swap sides with Sean. Back here. I'll go.
Maybe later. Maybe later.
What happened before, man? Catch it from here. Oh my god!
Then that just proves it, so don't change. Oh, look at all that fish.
Oh, bait.
Look at all that fish. Whole school of them going past. Come on.
Also big fish here around.
Oh, it is too.
Big? You can change the smaller one.
Yeah, change to a smaller one. Give it a go. Whatever it is, it's not working. Change it up.
Nice, nice. Yellowtail, number one. Alright. That's the big one, isn't it?
You know how to put it, Benny?
어,
You know how to put the log?
좀 작아요?
Log's going now.
아, 점점 커지는데?
You're on the roll now.
Yeah, then you just Chris, you know those big, dark red, like curves? They're all picking. Oh, Chris is onto fish.
No
Whoa!
way!
Hey, don't drop it. Don't drop it.
Show the camera, man.
Finally.
Release line.
Release it.
Yeah. Just open the bail. Yeah. There you go. Put it on the rod holder now.
What's this one?
Yellowtail. This must be like a lifetime of shooting. Look at that.
2022.
At last.
We're going home now.
If Chris can do it, anyone can do it.